To further help you out, we located a perfect example of a CDR customer that needed help keeping their production running efficiently and prevent the destruction of their machines. After trying one CDR, they bought 30 more for every machine cutting hot finished parts in their shop. We took a trip to visit their facility to talk to the plant manager and learn just what sold them on cyclonic debris removal.
We were visiting the plant today to check up on some of the CDRs that have been running here for a couple of years, as well as some new CDRs that are on some new machines. I'm just going to pass it over to Daryl. The first question I have for you is, what got you interested in the CDR? What made you look into buying one and then buying more?
The big factor that got us into looking for them was filter bag usage. We use the high pressure coolant systems on all of our machining centers, and we were going through 2 to 4 filter bags per shift, and that could be up to 6, 8 per day. And we were trying to find a way to cut down on filter bag usage, and we trialed it for a month, and the trial came out real good, and we've been a believer ever since in them.
About how many have you bought since the first CDR?
I think I've bought around 30 of them right now. Yeah, every machining center I've got in here has one on it.
Wow. Why is that?
Yeah, the cleaner coolant, you can tell the cleaner coolant when it goes through the tool drills, the fines will start collecting in the coolant passages of the drills.
Right.
And we'd actually had the holes of drills plugged out before we started getting them. Because you'd have to get in there and with the wire and dig the fine hard stuff out.
Gotcha. Well, thank you, Daryl, for your time. Appreciate you doing this interview.